What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the best UberEats promo codes. So if you know Uber Eats, guys, you know that their promo codes are very limited, and there's not many to choose from that are actually worth using. I spent a few hours this morning, guys, trying to find the best Uber Eats promo codes for 2024, and I have successfully found the best ones. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video today. So, you need to go to this website on your mobile phone, www.speedycoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys, because you got to go to Speedy Coupons. Now, this website is absolutely sick. They have tons of different pages on here designed to save you cash across whatever you're looking for. Now, you need to look for the Uber Eats promo codes page. Go to the search bar and type Uber. And it should just pop up, guys. You can see we're looking for the Uber Eats free credit and food coupons page. Now you can see, guys, these coupon codes for Uber Eats are limited in number. So there is a process to get your personal code. This limits basically one code per person because, as you can imagine, a $100 code is quite desirable. So there's two different promo codes that you can choose from. There's a $100 account credit code, and there is a get your next 3 Uber Eats food orders for free. Now that's a tongue twister. So select show coupon. So I'm going to go for this one here. And this is a $100 Uber Eats account credit code, guys. And as I mentioned, these codes are protected to ensure people don't steal all of the available codes. So you need to unlock your personal Uber Eats promo code, guys, which is completely normal, and it does take around 5 minutes. You have to complete a couple of these simple tasks, guys. I'm not going to do it because I've got enough account credit and I don't want to waste these limited coupons. But what you're going to need to do, guys, is click unlock code. And then when this gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen and it will tell you what to do, guys. So let me just cancel out of this so it doesn't waste the code. But yeah, you're going to see a new screen and you need to just complete a couple of these like simple tasks, and that's going to verify yourself. And then your code will be fully revealed and you can go ahead and enter it into the Uber Eats app, and that's going to give you $100 or free food. So head on over to speedycoupons.com and just follow through all of the instructions, and that's going to save you a bunch of time, guys, because yeah, I spent hours searching for the best codes, and these are the best ones available in 2024. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.